etc. And after generating code, you will get all front-end, back-end, and contracts. Everything will be ready for deployment. You will save a lot of time for creating basic scenes. All you need after that just customize your application. And I'm looking for front-end developer who have experience in Angular, Vue, or React to help me.
Time, Evgeny. Thank you very much. Well, now Madrid, are you ready? Who will be the first one? Come on. Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Ready? Okay. So every day in the city, people want to move from point A to point B. If you don't want to use your car, you can use public transportation, which is cheap, but it takes forever. And some of the times it doesn't go where you want to go. You can grab a taxi, you can use Uber, Cabify, whatever, but those are also expensive solutions. So I think we have to make a revolution in that area, and the blockchain is going to help us. So I think we have to share our cars, and what we're going to do is with this application, we're going to offer all the cars, so you can jump in and then jump out, any car, anytime. And with the blockchain technology, you will pay just for the fair and low price of the ride. Okay, that's the idea. It's very simple. So I'm a journalist, looking for coders, developers, designers, almost everyone.
Great job. I'm very proud. Okay, Minsky, it's your turn. Minska is still there? Yes, I am. We're here. And the next speaker is on the stage, so please, 1 minute.
Hi everyone. I'm introduce you a social project. Our project is the purpose of our project is to unite volunteers and organization, non-commercial organizations who wants to get volunteers, and we need to excuse me. Нам нужны люди. We need people who know Golos, because we want to integrate Golos in our platform. We want to make a distribution system of grants. Golos will help organizations to find volunteers, and volunteers, from the other hand, volunteers will be motivated and.
Thank you so much. Your time is running out. Thank you. So we're welcoming the fourth speaker on the stage. Please don't worry, Madrid. Please, give the first speaker some applauses so he won't be worrying.
Hi everyone. We want with our team make a world a better place. So we want to DDoS Ethereum network and to create Dragon Beat. It's a game. We take CryptoKitties one step further, and we want to add the machine learning, AR, models, and make everything decentralized. So actually we have everyone, but we would appreciate any help with smart contracts and with game architecture or game process. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. So now, now it's going to be Madrid. And we have a very special participant here. Please look at him, Misha. Misha, are you ready to pitch your idea? Yes?
and this hurts me. I need a developer and designer. Thank you for your attention.
So, Misha, this is a New Year lottery, like lottery for New Year, right? Yes, of course. Developers, designers, please pay your attention on Misha, and that's gonna be a very super great project. High five. Well, Minsk, it's your turn. Nastya, people applauded Misha so loud here, so I believe that he will find a lot of developers. So the next one who is featured, please, 1 minute, don't forget about that.
Hello. Every year I want to say this. Hello Madrid, Minsk calling, and 12 boys gone to Spain. Now about our project, we are planning to develop a decentralized, autonomous charity organization, and planning to integrate this solution, this organization to business loyalty programs. So we have developers, have business analytics, but if we are going to develop this on an Ethereum blockchain, and if some Solidity developers want to join us, so we are happy. That's all. And we are happy if some marketer specialist, yes.
Specialist. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. And the next one, please, on the stage. Who is ready?
Hello everyone. Hello Madrid. So 1 minute for describing the idea. The idea is basically make everyone to own his own solar station. Looks like a solar station, yeah? Which will provide the green energy. What we're going to do is matchmaking the investors from one side with money, yeah? Fiat money, for example. And the area owner from the second side is those where will be the solar station installed. It happens all over the world. We matchmaking them, then sending the energy, something like that. It will be the energy. Getting the money, fiat money, to our platform, changing them to the tokens, and spreading the tokens between those two guys, and leave some tokens for the platform. That's all. Thank you.
That's so simple. Thank you so much.
I think we need front-end and back-end developers for UI design, and Ethereum for the transaction. Ethereum developers. Thank you again.
Thank you. Thank you. So it's our turn. Who's next? Okay. Sure.
So they make token, they provide asset tokens for service. So people that can develop that service could get that tokens, okay? And that company put all of the assets on blockchain, and they don't need to make an exchange from coins to dollars, okay? So that's the whole idea. So here I explain that. So find a web platform where the companies put the needs to develop. For example, it could be, here you can see, renting and an e-commerce on blockchain that provide product assets. And for example, a provider could develop a product receipt. I need developers, okay?
Okay, thank you. Minsk, we don't hear you. We are here, Nastya. Okay. And the next one, who is going to pitch? Please on the stage, just 1 minute for you.
Let's make some noise. Hi, my name is Alex. We are going to develop a platform where investors can buy tokens with discount. Assume you are running an ICO and you you want to sell a bunch of tokens at once, and you agree to provide a discount for that. But one man can't buy a bunch of tokens at once, so we combine people into a pool and buy all the tokens at once, and people get the discount. So we have two developers, one marketer, and if you are a Solidity developer or anybody else, you can join us. Or if you are a pretty girl and you can make some coffee, we really appreciate you join us.
We're going to share the girls here. Okay, less than 1 minute. The next one, come back here.
Hello, my name is Nikita. I am a team lead of Fit for Code team. Our team is going to create a decentralized bidding exchange for cyber sports on Ethereum platform. And we plan to create a graphical interface to make the bidding process very simple. It's all. Our team is full. We need nobody.
We lost Madrid for a second. Nastya, you're here? Nastya, can you hear us?
Ah, yes, Minsk is here.
Yes.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Just a moment. Okay, we're connected. Okay, and we have our next participant.
Yeah. Okay. We're 4 members and we're 4 headless development members, and we're trying to build a platform for reviews and voting to integrate as much as services and pages and platforms as we can to unify one platform to have every review. So one account can have just one value or something like that. And for the others, open. Maybe something more, like a header or something.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Gabriel. Okay, how many ideas do we have here in this room? Just raise your hand. Okay, okay, good. So we'll continue with Minsk. Minsk, your turn.
Okay, Nastya, the next is on the stage, and you have just 1 minute, and the applause is above the stage.
Здравствуйте.
Oh no.
No Russian.
No Russian, please.
No, in Russian. Okay.
If you will speak...
Хорошо, моя идея связана с следующим.
No, пожалуйста, не по-русски. If you will be speaking Russian, I will be speaking Spanish. So they will be speaking Spanish, sorry. So no.
Okay, my idea is we have different sources. For example, Foursquare and Facebook with type place. And without this, okay. We have different sources, and my spiders grab this data from different sources and хранит их.
Save it
at blockchain, and we have AI. Давайте без смеха, пожалуйста, знаете, успокойтесь, пожалуйста.
Okay, should we
В общем,
continue
помогайте
with
мне
another
кто-нибудь.
pitch
Значит,
and let one to get
Time. Okay, we will be helping you, but time. 1 minute, please.
Okay, in Russian I can. For
Of
these
course you
people.
can. You can, but separately, please.
Please separate.
Another pitch.
Okay, we will translate this next
Okay,
one.
Russian, 1 second. Я собираю данные из разных источников.
Пожалуйста,
одного и того же
по-русски, мы
типа.
потом переведем вашу идею и...
Мой искусственный интеллект определяет, что это одни и те же данные. То есть, например, это место на Фейсбуке, это место на Форсквере одно и то же. Он сохраняет это на блокчейне. И что мы имеем? Мы имеем...
Okay, we got your idea. Well, we will pitch it in the end on our Telegram channel. Thank you so much. Please, the next one. It's about AI and developers. It's very difficult technology, so you need a lot of people, I guess. But we will help with the next one, please. Time, running.
Hello, everybody. Good evening, Minsk. Good evening, Madrid. So blockchain is a very cool thing, but we have a little problem. From the RBC research, we know that only 60% of people know about blockchain technologies. So we have this problem in Belarus too. So it's very important to improve knowledges, to spread knowledges of blockchain technologies, and to improve financial and technical knowledges of specialists. We are planning to create an educational online service for students of blockchain technologies. And during this hackathon, we want to make a prototype in Graphene. So we are looking for C++ developers and designers. We have some good ideas, so thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, who's next on our side? Gustavo? Yeah?
You have the permission already. No, these are not mine. Hello, can you hear me guys in Minsk?
Yeah.
Cool. Hello there. Okay, so I have like a... Yeah, this is another presentation on mobility.
We can't hear you, Nastya.
What about now?
Yeah, it's okay now.
Okay, cool. Can you see the slides? Okay, so again, it's just a decentralized mobility organization, which is basically like a TAO co-owning an entire fleet of cars. This is just to demonstrate that the current ownership model is not sustainable for our own economy, neither for the environment. There are a lot of initiatives on smart cities, but none on smart citizens. We want to go on that. Our model is based on the government economies by Elinor Armstrong, which is another established model in which already demonstrates that it's possible to organize a group of people co-owning the same group of resources. These are the same principles for the DMO, inherited from Armstrong. This is what we propose for the ecosystem. A lot of the EAF users, which means engaged as fuck users. This is our business model. This is just field numbers just to demonstrate that the model is sustainable. But this is the current monetary model, which, as you might say, is kind of inflationary, but we are guaranteeing anyhow a growing up of the value of the crypto. These are potential partners. These are the ecosystem KPIs that we want to reach, and that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Коллеги, пожалуйста, потише давайте, когда выступают другие, что вы, что...
Okay, Madrid. Oh, Minsk, sorry.
Nastya, we are ready. And the next one.
In time and space. Okay, Madrid. Minsk again. Are you ready to continue?
Yeah, go on.
Hello. 1 minute is too long, so I'll be short. We create a wallet application that includes every crypto wallet, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. This wallet should be usable as simple as possible for everyone, and like a credit card. We need blockchain experts, Android and iOS developers, and everyone who can be useful for this project. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Please, the next one. 1 minute.
Evening, folks. We are Dimi and Bobby. We are going to develop Blockchain Ideas Marketplace, where you can sell or accelerate your idea toward a successful ICO.
Yeah, so what do? First of all, you register your idea on our blockchain, so you kind of register an IP, then you can sell it, or you can find people and fundraisers. So once you decided to develop this, you find your team, you find the first fundraisers. You register. You don't need to have an SHA. We do it for you. Our blockchain-based system also does it for you. We don't need to register the company. You will use our tokens for the moment, and in the end of the day, you will be able to get to ICO or round A investments, hopefully. Yeah, and sorry. Yeah, and we're looking for developers. We're looking for people who know front end and back end.
Time.
Blockchain specialists and.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So this is our turn. Yeah, please.
Okay, yeah. Hello, everybody. Hello, Minsk. Yeah, what our idea is about an emissions trading platform. We have some contacts in the Netherlands at some ports, and also some contacts of companies and government in California. And we know for a fact that it is a problem that the current system does not account for double spending in the trading of carbon emissions. That is, if some company produces more carbon emissions that they're allowed to, they can buy some carbon emissions, some clean energy for different companies that have spare amounts. But there is no accountability for double spending or against fraud, and we want to solve this problem through blockchain. We will appreciate some experts in Hyperledger, and especially also some front-end developers.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Our turn?
Yes.
So we have a line of pictures here. So who's next, please, on the stage?
Me too.
Greetings, Minsk. All of Spain. My name is Vladimir Davidov. I'm the founder of Dronex, and we are working on the decentralized system for the autonomous drones. Well, why do you need it for? Well, drones are awesome, but unfortunately in most countries and most of the cities, they consider it to be too dangerous, and thus they're not allowed to fly. In 2016 and 17, our team received a number of awards for the safest drone in the world, and now we need to prove it. For this reason, we create a decentralized ledger that will record any detail and any aspect of the created drone, and also the history of the operations. With this decentralized ledger, we will be able to prove that this drone is actually safe enough to fly in the city, and also this system will create a bonus, a reward, for the regulator that will do the first initial approval in a certain country for the certain drone. We have the greatest world-class specialists in the drone manufacturing, but at this stage, we are looking for the blockchain specialists to help us to create the early prototype of the system within the next 2 days. Thank you very much. The email is...
59 seconds. So the next one, please.
2 minutes?
1 minute. 1 minute. Just 1 minute.
Has everyone joined blockchain channel in Telegram in order to keep track of all the Hello?
Hello, Nastya, we're here.
So you could continue, yeah.
Can we go on? Oh.
Oh, that's me. Okay, so shall we start?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, Minsk.
1 minute.
Yeah, one. It doesn't help one.
So we have a great idea. So as you know, it's widely used practice when some big companies like Facebook or Google, they want to show that they are very central to their talented employees, and they provide some options so they can share a piece of the company with the most prospective employees. So this is the problem because it's available only for big public companies. So we will provide solution for mid-size and small-size companies.
So our project is Respect.io, and we want to create a platform which provides an option for middle-sized companies to create these rewarding programs, to deploy their own tokens, like shared like tokens, and pay some respect for their people who work for them, because people are the most valuable thing in IT. So that's all.
That's it, you just got the 1 minute, yeah. So Madrid, we're listening to you now.
Yeah, great job, thank you very much. Who's next? Who's next? Artem?
Hello everybody, my name is Artem. Please, are you here?
We can hear you, please.
Okay, perfect. Okay.
Что надо сделать, они делают, рассчитывая при этом, чтобы не столкнуться с собой и не каких-то препятствий, все это блокчейн. Блин, это просто скрипт. Они как-то что-то записывали.
We can't hear you, sorry.
Использовали как? Ты можешь составить смарт-контракт, смарт-контракты, дроны, где ты что сделать.
I present task tracking solution for blockchain to solve next problems.
Да. Но это добавить, это не там, даже если этого нет.
It's a work motivation, difficult business process and management tools, transparent reporting, and estimation of work time. Our solution is a Trello-like system based on Scrum methodologies with transparent financial operation on blockchain. That's all. We fully completed team. We need only time and all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Madrid, can you hear us well? Nastya, can you hear us?
Yes, of course. Did you hear the last presentation?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, great. Then your turn.
Okay.
How many ideas do we have?
Yeah, no,
Chain
of ideas.
Hello everybody, my name is Victor and I have an idea of developing a convenient and easy use application that allows people to manage their cryptocurrency portfolio with different integrations with exchanges, blockchains. I'm a back-end developer and I need front-end or mobile developer. Thank you.
That's the most important we need to know about that.
Yeah, that's the case. So the next one, please.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Nick, and today I would like to represent my project. I'm faced with 3 problems. The first of all is overdue commitments in agreements between the subjects of the economy with the contracts. The second, inflation always reduces summary income from the traditional financial tool for the individuals. And the last problem, that there is no flexible tool for owners to manage and optimize vulnerabilities and fixed costs. I succeed to forming and describe the blockchain environment in which there are no circumstances for the occurrence of overdue commitments between companies, All interested bidders will make profit in crypt. And companies can react promptly to the request.
Time.
Features.
So please just tell who you need and that's it.
I need all kinds of devs. There are lots of features like audit, consulting, diversification, exchange stop.
Okay, thank you. Everybody will read about this on Telegram channel. So thank you. Applauses, please.
Да вон, я так понимаю, еще вон.
Thanks. Who's next on our side? Who's next? Yeah?
I'm waiting for the slides. Ready? Okay, Привет means I'm great. So basically, my team wants to create an animal shelter. So we are using the idea of crypto kittens, but to help endangered animals, to help to save them. Crypto kittens accounted for 12% of the traffic in Ethereum network right now, so this can be really big. We already talked to a friend of mine from WWF. I have pretty good contracts. I've worked in social business for a long time. We're looking for front-end and back-end developers, especially people who know about smart contracts. And we have an idea how to circumvent the whole congestion thing by using something like the 0x protocol. That's it basically. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Who's next?
This means be quiet while speakers are talking. So who is the next one? Please.
Hola Spain and ciao Minsk. I just flew from Helsinki to here because the situation is so crazy with the cryptocurrencies. So it's people stealing and they also growing new markets and they're using blockchains and other things. So what I'm looking for today, I'm looking for building during this weekend using by blockchains and machine learning. So, and that will be the first, one of those first platforms where you can kind of build directly CU euros, and also we have cooperation to cash it out directly that. So I mean cash it out directly. We have a connection for that, and that's it's not so rare from the other websites. And also we want to make safe website. And we're looking for developers with the blockchains, machine learning, and designer.
Okay,
thanks.
Thank you.
Ciao.
And please the next
Hello everyone, I'm Yuri and I'm a game developer.
Please quiet.
We have a very simple idea. So cryptocurrency right now is very popular and everyone wants to have it, but there is very few opportunity to have it actually. So we want to develop a kind of casual cryptocurrency which everyone could mine on his cell phone, like for getting some kind of coins for free, which will be like act like any kind of cryptocurrency which is already on the market, like Bitcoin or Ethereum or something like that. Actually, we are looking for front-end mobile developers. That's it.
Thank you. Thank you. On the Minsk side, Master, on the Minsk side, that's it. We finished with speech. No,
Really?
one last.
Okay,
fine.
Just our turn, please. Wait
your
a little
turn,
bit.
sure.
So, for now, then we are going to pitch 2 pitches in one time from Madrid. Who's next, Alex? Who's else next? You guys? You. Okay. Then Alex start, then...
Hello Madrid, hi Minsk. I'm Alex. I'm represent here Dave team. DEI is decentralized research platform to provide blockchain protocol to incentivize contribution to knowledge creation and science. Since this platform is really huge, here on Hackathon we're developing just one module of it. It's management of decentralized research group on blockchain. Here our team is really international, so here is Alexei, he is also a team member, and in Minsk we have Igor and Artur. Could these guys stand up there so everybody will know who is also working there. So we have a lot of developers actually, but we need IC marketer and UX specialist. And if any C++ developer wants to join and build such an ambitious project with us on Graphene framework, you are welcome. That's it. Thank you.
So for one more pitch from our side. Yeah, let's go.
Ничего. Что хочешь, ты делай. Твоя жизнь, твои решения. Конечно.
Hola. Hola Madrid, Privatanya, Minsk. So we all know what proof of stake is. It's the next big thing in public chains. The problem with proof of stake is that you cannot use your asset while you're staking it. So we are creating a DAO where you can send the asset to a particular smart contract, and the smart contract will, on one side, start staking this asset for you, and it will also create a token that represents the ownership of the asset that you are staking, effectively giving you the opportunity to use your asset while you are staking it. We are using Alastria's blockchain to develop this. And leveraging their KYC and digital identity system, we can use that token for things like creating a peer-to-peer marketplace for bank-like services, such as lending this token in exchange of money. So this is all the time I got. So we are actually looking for a front-end developer, maybe one who knows Angular or React. Way so smart. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Our last speech, Nastya.
Okay.
So please on the stage, you have 1 minute.
Well, looking forward to listen to it.
Hello everybody, my name is Vladislav Danets and my project is called Easy Invest. This is a simple and easy tool for simple people who want to become crypto investors. The simple interface that everyone understands. For example, you want to invest 1,000, you just input this amount and press one button. And this money will be automatically distributed into top cryptocurrencies by market cap or equal percentage. And after we will use a third-party API to convert this money. You can control your balances, track it, and rebalance it. For this project, I need Android, iOS, and backend. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Good. And we have a couple of good ideas as well. Please listen to us. So here.
Good evening everyone, I'm Shantanu and we're students from IIT Business School. So we're looking to implement blockchain in healthcare. So we plan to decentralize all the health records and then later provide you virtual consultations with those health records. So if you choose your doctor and provide virtual consultations. And currently we're looking for a blockchain developer, an Android developer, and someone with experience in pattern recognition or image recognition. Thank you.
Do we have more pitches? Okay, what's going to be next? Means we're switching off for organizing teams, and we would get back here in 30 minutes.
Okay, Nastya. Thank you so much, Madrid. Thank you. Means please applause to Madrid. Hasta luego. So please, we heard all the pitching today. Maybe English of some of them was a bit difficult. So this is why we have Telegram channel t.me blockchain phone, and there you can see all the ideas that have been filled in forms. We will not miss anyone on this way. So please, if you need some developers, if you want to be a part of some team, you just open the Telegram channel, get their contacts. It will be Skype, Facebook, or Telegram, whatever. Yeah, and you can find some developer from Spain. And please, you see, Spain people need a lot of developers. So please be ready. Be ready to answer some Spanish questions from them. Be ready to be hired.
Все, друзья, мы отключаемся. Вернемся скоро.
Thank you.